welcome to Dr. Joseph Smith's podcast. A man who has the knowledge, willpower, and fortitude to expose the corruption from the top to the bottom in America's judicial system.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Dr. Joseph Smith. We're here with Sports Fusion TV. I'm here to talk to you today about domestic violence, nationality, freedom, and with freedom comes responsibility. You know, we all talk about freedom, but most people don't have freedom. We have the criminals on the bottom that violate laws. We have the criminals on the top, many of which are judges, lawyers that don't prosecute the law. They assist criminals in violating the law. So with freedom comes responsibility. We need congressmen and senators that know what cities are in what states. So whether it be Wichita in Kansas, whether it be Albany in New York, we need people that know that in the War of 1812, the United States got from Spain, Florida, the Philippines, and Cuba, where probably 8, 9 out of 10 congressmen and senators have no goddamn idea. Scary. So you don't have to be smart to be a congressman or senator. You don't even have to have a brain or be socially correct to be a congressman or senator. We need to change these laws. We need to have where people aren't in office for life, including judges. We need to make sure that judges that are supposed to swear to the Constitution, if they violate constitutional law knowingly and dangerously, they're considered terrorists, and they don't need for Congress to vote them out, but they're voted out automatically. So we need better laws to instill freedom, democracy, and liberty on the top and the bottom, assisting the United States with growing a good community, with hardworking people, with loving families, with neighbors helping neighbors. And with that, we need to reach out to our neighbors both within our nation, within our state, within our city, and other countries to back up and support the ideals that our forefathers fought for, both in the military and coming to our great country from other countries, looking for freedom, looking for democracy, looking for liberty and justice. And in the end, if we have freedom, liberty, we need to have justice as the outcome. And we have millions of people in the country that don't have freedom because there's corruption in the courts. Thank you. Have a good day. If you have a story, write us, dcijoe@gmail.com. Win $100 to put your story on the air. Thank you.
If you believe that you were mistreated by the judicial system, then contact Dr. Joseph Smith with your story via the email below.